Hey Noah, my name is Eddy with Lionnetsolutions, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I read minds, and the answer is, well, oftentimes in the world of internet, most local business owners are too busy running their businesses in order to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is, well, they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, bro. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So this is your guys' website. It's a very beautiful website, very well structured, but in Google's eyes, in order to be able to be optimized with Google, you need about 1,500 words. Now, the amount of words you guys have, I use a tool called SEO Quake. It is free. You can get this extension on Firefox, Google Chrome, whatever you have, you can have. When we go into page info and I scroll down and I look at your word count, this is your total word count right here. You guys have about 886 words. Now, the way Google works is they look at everything. They have bots that go in basically every single day, every single minute, and they scan your website for content. The way to optimize your main web page is actually to add keywords, and you can also add keywords into pictures. So let me show you. When you add in keywords, you can save image as, and you can actually rename this to a keyword and actually be optimized for that. Because the bots don't see that picture as a picture of a worker, they only see that as a text or a code. Anyway, your competition actually has about, this is your top competitor when I look up remodeling in Austin, Texas. Your number one competitor after the Google Ads and the Map Pack is CCG and Build Repair. They basically have about 300 or 553 words. But what's making them outstand everyone else in this competition is actually something we call backlinks, and I'll get to that in just a moment. But to be optimized with Google, I would say the best thing for you guys to do on your main web page is to at least add in about 1,500 words. The second thing I want to go over is citations. It is the second most important thing I want to talk about, and we call this the Google Map Packs or the maps. So if I go over here on these results, we can see the business's name, address, and phone number. This is Map Pack, and in order to get ranking for this and actually get better in this, all you have to do is actually get better citations. So in order to get these citations, I actually go to another website. It's called Whitesparks, and you can use this for yourself. I have the free version, and what I did was I searched your business up, and what it shows me is that you guys only have 1 citation, whereas your competitor, your number one competitor, has only 10 citations. So these citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. Now, all we have to do is actually go into Whitesparks, and hit your competitor, and we can actually look them up if it loads. Well, basically, you would go into your top competitors and you can actually look up their citations and what power they hold over that citation, and you can grab that citation for yourself. My apologies, it doesn't want to load. Anyway, the last thing I want to go over with you guys is backlinks. And it is a very important aspect in Google. We call these things basically link juice. And you can see we search for remodeling Austin, Texas, and that after scrolling past these two, you're not number one. It's actually C and G design and model. Now, this is where you want to be, and to get there, you need to beat out the competition in every aspect. This link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have another renovation company linking back to you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you. Because, hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. So, in order to get backlinks, what you guys have is one referring domain giving you guys about 2 backlinks. Now, if we wanted to see the competition's link juice or their backlinks, we actually go over and do the same exact thing. We go over overview and we can see that their referring domains is 261 and they're getting about 1,700 backlinks. Now, again, we can take every single one of these backlinks by going over to the referring domains, and we can go after these sites for your own and completely obliterate them if we wanted to. So again, I wanted to go over the 3 aspects I talked about today, which is your front page needs to at least have 1,500 words for Google to optimize you sufficiently. And then citations, you want to have at least 200 to 300 of these citations in order to beat your competitor by a landslide. And then link juice. You guys need to have more relative sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. I'm a psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, well, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I am totally cool with that. Or, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 512-823-0370. Once again, my name is Eddy with Lionnetsolutions, and my number is 512-823-0370. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great one.